Hey, what's up guys? I'm Emily. And I'm Ruby. In today's video is us staying in a car overnight. So yeah, let's just hop into it. Bye. We're in the car, as you can tell.
I also got a haircut.
It's so short. This is the car. This is like the front of the car and this is the end. And then here,
That's the outside wheel.
but down here is where our heads will be and our pants and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much.
And we have fairy lights.
Yes, we have fairy lights to turn, and we have extra blankets and stuff just in case it gets cold and stuff. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. But we're gonna go get some snacks. So let's go. Let's get the snacks.
Let's get the snacks.
So
This is Charlie.
This is my dog Charlie. He decided to come here. You wanna come back here? He decided to come join us.
Nice butt shot.
But we got the snacks, so we got our drink bottles, and we got
The popcorn and lollies are
in the
up there.
back. Yeah, they're up there because Charlie was gonna eat them all.
Come here.
And now
Let him see your
he can't
face.
really get out because
Oh my god.
yeah. We don't know what he's doing. He's just been doing
Exploring.
this. He's been exploring for the past couple of minutes. But yeah, that's it. Okay.
This is the process of us taking Charlie out.
Okay, we're gonna try and get him out. Hey, come on! Come on! Don't be scared! Come on!
Oh,
You okay?
oh! His head's like stuck on the.
Oh no! Here we go.
Oh,
Here we go.
we did it. Okay, we might make brownies.
Hi. We're gonna get into our PJs. We are. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out, guys and gals.